Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I built with the new wiring up. I haven't built that much. Making this, I realized, wait, is it load? Okay, while I was making this, I realized that this is the wrong button. So, I can't really turn it back now. So, it's really a bad build. I thought it was gonna be good, that's why. I'm gonna load this shit. Okay, guys, so now I can show you. That's Brown Gorilla. He is very nice. So, first, you grab anything. Next, shoot. It opens the door. And next, you go into the arena. Go to the arena, okay? So basically, this just leads you to the Spleef arena, but I'm gonna add some walls and a lot more stuff. But yeah, I have only built that though.
I remember helping you build a little bit of this.
Yeah. Yes. Let's go. Okay, so that's all it for, my thingy. Sorry that I haven't built that much. I didn't know about the video challenge and I had too much school.